Greetings, people of the internet. I just changed a window on my Jaguar XJS here, and there's not a video that I could find on YouTube that explains how to do that on an XJS. There are plenty of other videos that explain how to change a window on other cars, and you can go watch them and they're helpful. There are a couple of things that are different about an XJS, and that's why I decided to make a quick video and just talk about that. Unfortunately, I didn't think to do that until after I'd already completed the job. I'm not going to do it again, but I want to go over the two really key points that are going to save you a lot of time. Now, the first thing, in addition to changing the window, I also changed the motor and regulator, and these screws, okay, they're all the same thread, but they're not all the same length. So when you take your old one apart, take note of which ones are the short ones and put them back in the right places, because if you don't do that, then the screws are going to interfere with the motion of the regulator and your window will not go up and down like it should. The other thing that is different from other cars, the front window track, this thing, which goes all the way down, that is fixed in the XJS door. You can't move it, it's not adjustable. So when you remove or install the window, you have to remove the rear track. This is a bit of the rear track right here. You have to take that completely out in order to get the window in or out. And once you know that, that's going to save you a lot of time and effort. And another thing that I've noticed, when you go to put the track back in, there's a rubber channel in there. Take that out before you put the channel back in, and then you take the rubber channel out, you put the track back in, and then you put the rubber channel back in. If you try to do it with the rubber channel left in the track, it makes it much more difficult, so don't do that. And now, since I've been talking about it, I may as well let you see. Check this out. Yes, I need to lube it. I'll get to that.